If you're tired of the uncertainty, the rising cost of living, and the constant worry about job security, you're not alone. However, you don't have to wait for the economy to get better. You can take control by building a skill that is yours for life.
Hi, I'm Randall Girard, founder of the So Learn How online industrial sewing course. My journey began in the cut and sew industry just like yours is about to, full of curiosity, determination, and possibilities. And it all started with a mentor who showed me the ropes and introduced me to a machine that changed my life. This isn't hobby sewing. This is a skill that the world relies on every day. Chances are there's a product near you right now that exists because of industrial sewing. Over the last 40 years, working in 8 countries, I've seen how this one skill can open a door to real possibility and independence. This course was developed specifically for beginners. The lessons have been broken down into simple, manageable steps so that you'll never feel overwhelmed. Once you complete the So Learn How online course and become comfortable operating the walking foot sewing machine, you'll have the foundational skill for industries that are in demand,
like automotive and marine interiors, furniture upholstery, custom leather work, outdoor and technical products, tarps and covers, gym and fitness gear, and other high-demand projects. What starts in a garage, basement, or spare room can develop into skills that could generate real income opportunities. The proven way, however, is to start with simple repairs. These small repairs can often bring $25 to $75, helping build your sewing confidence with every stitch. As your sewing skill develops, so do your opportunities to take on higher paying projects. Now, if you don't already own or have access to a walking foot sewing machine, don't worry. I put together a free buyer's guide to help you walk through the machine purchasing process step by step to avoid costly mistakes and find a machine that pays for itself.
What you bring to life with your machine is more than just a project. It's progress that builds your sewing confidence. You can build your own path to independence, one project, one skill, one step at a time. Every expert started exactly where you are now. The only difference is they started sooner. Let's do this together. You bring the willingness to learn. I'll bring the knowledge and experience to help guide you. So, learn how to change your future. Visit SoLearnHowOnline.com to get started.